Wow, which state do you belong to? Telangana, nice to meet you. What do you do? Are you a student or are you working? Mm-hmm. Wow, which department have you completed your graduation? Technical, non-technical? Okay, then what is your branch name? ECE, Electronics Communication Engineering, is it? Wow, and what is your next plan? Do you want to proceed your higher education, MTech, or do you want to quit your education and you want to search your job? What else? Are you a job seeker and do you want to proceed your higher education? Pardon? Okay, good job. How many days do you want to eat and sleep? How many days or how many years? Okay, you don't have any goal on your hand? Okay, so fine. How long have you been using this platform? What brings you here? Okay, then do you want to just interact with co-learner or do you want to enhance your spoken English? Wow, for which purpose do you want to enhance your spoken English? O- Okay, you want to speak like a native speaker and you want to speak Indian standard English, right? Okay, have you talked with anyone in higher educated people to English, physical people, apart from online co-learner? Oh, in physical people? Okay, then in your state or different state people? Oh, okay. Okay. Mhm. Then you communicate with them in English, right? Okay, then you have got atmosphere to interact with anyone in English daily, right? It is a good job. You are good speaker. You are a good speaker, fluent speaker. I know you want to polish your fluency, right? Because you are not satisfy your communication. Otherwise, you have you speak fluently, but you want to Miss, I mean to say you want to speak like a native speaker, you want to speak like them, right? Yeah, no one can get overnight. Then apart from this platform, what do you do? I mean to say how to practice your English and how to do your roadmap. How to practice your spoken English apart from this platform. And yes. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Okay, this time, right? In lunch break time. Okay, okay. Then this time you talk with anyone 10 to 5 minutes per day, right? Because you have a atmosphere, you communicate with physical people also, online people also. Then you spend long time with language per day, right? Okay. Then apart from your state, Telangana, have you visited different state within India? Hmm. Okay. Then what type of food do you like? How is the weather in there? Mm-hmm. Rainy season is going on, or which season is going on there? Okay. Then do you live in city area or rural area? Small town. Okay. Then okay, you stay in morning time in city or evening time you stay in your village. Then it is a near from your town and village, right? Okay, village life is a good life because you get organic food, organic air, right? No pollution, and pure water and pure atmosphere. That kind of scenario, that kind of not a polluted area, that is a good for health also, and that kind of atmosphere is good for everyone, right? City life, it's okay. You can go for your livelihood, it's okay, but rest time you see, you get a polluted air or all kind of food also not organic sometime, right? Not healthy food, but organic food you get in village area. And how many siblings do you have? Zero sibling means you are one son of your parents, right? Wow, that's good. Then what's your father does? Okay, what type of farming do you do in your field? Rice. Okay, paddy. You tell paddy, right? Wow. Then do you sell your paddy in market? Okay. How many acres do you have? How many land do you have? How many acres? 1 acre. Okay, it's good. And you people only cultivate paddy, not vegetable? Okay, you don't sell vegetable. You only cultivate vegetable for your family, right? Okay, but you cultivate your paddy for your family to run 1 year and remain you will sell in the market, right? Okay, apart from paddy, what type of crops cultivate the people, remain people? Yeah. Hmm? Hmm, 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 hmm. Oh, hmm. Potato. Okay, mangoes also, right? Okay, that's good. And then you tell me one thing. Right now you are in Telangana. Then it is nearest from Hyderabad, right? And recently, I think 2019, it divided, right? Then no 19, I think 16 and before 16, I think so. Hyderabad and Telangana, different state, right? Yeah, but it was before one state, Hyderabad and Telangana, right? Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Capital of Telangana, Hyderabad, right? Okay. How many times have you visited Ramoji Film City? Two times. Oh, oh, which site, which place in dangerous place within Ramoji Film City? Which place? Mm-hmm. Okay, I have been also there. I have also